How to sign into your Shopify store on phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In order to sign into your Shopify store on your phone, you could either use the official Shopify mobile app or a mobile web browser as well. So if you're using the app, you want to make sure to install it from your app store, and there you just want to type in Shopify and install it. So after completely installing, tap onto the open button. This is going to take you to the page where you just need to tap onto the login button at the very bottom of the page. This then going to take you to the web page. You have to enter in your email, or you could go with the Apple ID, Facebook or Google as well. So you could go ahead and select one of these methods, and then you just want to make sure to type in your credentials and select login. As you've done that, you will then be taken to the next page where you have to verify. So you have to make sure to go ahead and enter in a code. Now in my case, I actually need to retrieve my account, so they will be able to send me a notifications or a code. So this procedure might not be necessary in your case, so you will be taken to the home page directly. So this way you'll be able to sign into your Shopify store on your phone. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.